Hi, this is Kelly from paperbeadrollers.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use the paper bead kit builder to build your own customized jewelry making kit. Right now, I'm going to click on New, but you can also go to the kit category. If you come down here to the left, it's towards the bottom right now, paper bead making kits. You will also see we have our starter kit, which is you can customize with the type of roller you want, or this Deco Euro paper bead leather bracelet and necklace base kit. So this is the customizable kit that you can make with the kit builder. So I'm going to click on it. And here we go. And you can see that with this kit, you get to make both a necklace and a bracelet with leather, and it includes all of this stuff. Now, the base price of the kit is $11.49, and that includes all the basic things you need, like the caviar beads, the leather, all of that stuff that's going to be standard in the kit. But you are going to have a chance to do things like choose what type of color findings you want, or what kind of paper, what kind of bead you're going to use. So let's start the kit builder and I'll show you how to walk through it. So right now, this is the only kit that I have. If you guys like this, I'm happy to come up with more customizable kits for you. I think these are a lot of fun to do, and it gives you everything you need except for the glue and the glaze. So I'm going to hit select, and you'll see as I hit select that over here, it shows you all the steps and all the choices you're going to have to make, and it shows you what your choice was. So if you ever want to go back and remember what choice you picked, it's all going to show up here on the right. So now we get to pick what style of paper strip we want. Do we want round or the Euro style? I'm going to choose the Euro style, and I'm going to pick a color. I'm going to pick black. And then you hit select. And you'll see it pop over here on the right-hand side. There it is. Now we choose what kind of bead core I want. You have to pay attention also to the sizes. This is a 5mm Euro. This is kind of like that Pandora bracelet. Or you've got the 3/16 size bead course, which goes with the purple roller. So we've got gold, green, red, and silver to pick from. I think I'm going to choose silver. And I can choose 12 or 100. I'm just going to choose 12 because that's all I need. You're going to get enough paper to do 12 beads. So that's perfect. That's all you need. You can get 100 if you want, but 12 is fine. Then I can choose what color of crimp tubes I want. Do I want gold or silver? And since I chose the silver bead course, I'm also going to choose the silver crimps. And then I can choose the clasp I want. I'm going to choose, I really like this one right here. Now notice the prices on the right. So this is where you can really control the price of the cost. The magnetic cord and ball clasps are actually $1.25. Those are the least expensive. The magnetic tubes are $1.49, and the knot clasps are $2.49. Now this is for the necklace. So I think I want... I think I want just the tube clasp. Oh yeah, there is gold on this one. Now I need to choose a bracelet clasp. I think I'm going to do the magnetic silver clasp for the bracelet because I really like the way it looks. It kind of adds to the charm. So let me hit select. Okay, now it shows us all of our choices and gives us a chance to edit them. So we've got the kit that we're getting, black paper, the wide Euro bead, the silver bead cores, the silver crimps, the 2 different silver clasps. And that means that my caviar beads that I get will also be silver. So it will match whatever I choose for my findings. And I can add it to the cart. And there we go. The total price of my kit is $19.94. And again, it can go up and down based on what I've chosen. And also, if I want, I have the opportunity, I can change the quantity of how many of each of the things I want now that I'm in the cart. And then I can just go ahead and check out. So that's it. That is how you go through the kit builder. Again, please let me know if you like this customized kit idea. If you do, I will come up with more kits for you. I think it's a lot of fun to be able to have just everything you need to create something, but still be able to have a little leeway and be creative and put your own stamp on it as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to get paper bead and jewelry making tutorials. And happy rolling until I see you next time.